In today's video, I'm going to show you how to avoid malware with the help of NordVPN. Malware is one of the biggest threats to online safety, but the good news is that a few simple habits can go a long way in keeping you protected. Let's go over what actually works. First, always be cautious with links that look suspicious or out of place. These often appear in emails or random pop-up windows. Cybercriminals use them to trick people into downloading malware. A simple habit is to hover your mouse over a link to preview the real URL. If it looks unusual, misspelled, or unfamiliar, don't click it. Next, only download apps and software from official sources. Platforms like the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store have built-in security checks, which makes it much less likely that you'll accidentally install something harmful. This alone can significantly reduce your risk. Using a secure browser also makes a big difference. Browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Brave are all solid options, especially when combined with privacy extensions that block ads and trackers. This not only improves security, but also makes your browsing experience cleaner and smoother. Now let's talk about NordVPN's Threat Protection feature. This is a powerful extra layer of security. When it's enabled, it blocks malicious websites, stops dangerous downloads before they ever reach your device, and protects you from harmful scripts running in the background. It also blocks trackers and intrusive ads, which are often used to collect your personal data. Turning it on is very easy. Just open the NordVPN app, go to the Threat Protection section in the settings, and toggle it on. Once it's active, you're automatically protected every time you browse without needing to change anything else. And if you don't have NordVPN yet, my affiliate link in the description gives you a huge discount. You'll get 74% off plus 3 extra months, which is one of the best offers available. By following these steps and using tools like Threat Protection, you can avoid most malware and browse with much more confidence. Thanks for watching.